Mastering, reverse the charges, a guide to understanding this handy phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound a bit technical at first, but is actually quite useful in everyday situations. We're talking about reverse the charges. So, sit back, relax, and let's unravel the mystery of this phrase together. Reverse the charges refers to a telephone call where the person receiving the call agrees to pay for it, instead of the person making the call. It's a service used when the caller either cannot afford to pay for the call or does not wish to. This is particularly common in long-distance calls or in situations where someone has run out of phone credit but needs to make an urgent call. The concept of reversing the charges has been around since the early days of telecommunication. It was especially popular before the era of mobile phones and unlimited calling plans. To reverse the charges, one would typically need to contact the operator and ask them to connect the call in such a way that the recipient pays. Nowadays, with the advent of mobile phones and various apps, this practice is less common, but the phrase still remains in use as a way to describe any situation where costs are shifted from one party to another. You can use reverse the charges in a literal sense when talking about telephone calls. For example, I didn't have any credit left on my phone, so I had to reverse the charges to call my mom. But it's also used metaphorically to describe situations where responsibilities or costs are transferred from one person to another. For instance, when I forgot my wallet, my friend had to reverse the charges on our lunch bill. Let's look at some practical examples to better understand how to use this phrase in real-life conversations. In a discussion about who pays for a shared service, since I paid for the tickets last time, can we reverse the charges this time? When talking about phone calls, I'll call you from the payphone. Can you accept it if I reverse the charges? These examples showcase the versatility of the phrase, making it a handy addition to your English vocabulary. And that's a wrap on reverse the charges. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase, adding a useful tool to your English communication toolkit. Remember, language learning is all about discovering new ways to express yourself and understanding the nuances of communication. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more intriguing aspects of the English language. Happy learning!